All right, what's going on, everyone? Josh Quinones here. So the day has finally come. We've been so patiently waiting for this. The update for the Pixel 6 devices have finally pushed out. I've personally still been stuck on the November 5th update, and today is January 14th, and I am finally getting my first update since then. The Pixel 6 Pro is all ready to go. I've already updated this device. As you can see right here on my regular Pixel 6, it is still currently updating. It is a big update, especially if you're still on that November patch like myself. It's gonna take a while to get this update all set and ready to go on this device. So as you can see, still currently updating. So I'm just gonna go ahead and leave this over to the side for now. Now, if you're not sure if your phone has the update yet, all you gotta do is just go into your settings. Actually, let me go ahead and do it here with you guys. So we'll go into the settings. You're gonna wanna scroll down to system. You click on system, and then you have the system update. It'll say it right there on the bottom for you. You just click on system update, check for update, and it'll let you know if you do have the update or not, which you should. It should have been pushed out to all of the Pixel 6 devices. And this is the update that we have so patiently been waiting for, that was supposed to fix all of the issues on both of these devices right here. If you've been following my channel since I've gotten this device right here, you would know as the days went by, as the weeks went by, I was experiencing more and more issues, as time went on with this phone right here, to where it almost made me not want to use it anymore. But I still had it in my pocket either way, whether it's, my main device or my secondary device. I always had this in my pocket because I absolutely love the cameras on this phone right here. But since I have updated it today, so far, so good. I mean, it's still early to tell. Of course, I'm going to be keeping you guys updated, as time goes on, to see, if anything goes wrong or if something is way, way better than before. As far as the fingerprint sensor goes, it pretty much feels the same to me, honestly. But I will say that it is definitely more accurate. It's not missing like it was before. It still takes as long as it did before, so still not the fastest, but definitely more accurate. It's definitely still opening it every single time, as you can see there. Now, one thing that I did notice that wasn't fixed, or seems a little bit worse, is Twitter. Now, if you watch my previous video with this phone right here, my review, the Twitter was just really just jittery, just stops and goes, and it's still doing that exact same thing. It's just not a smooth scroll if you're trying to scroll through Twitter here. But that seems to be the only problem that I'm having with this phone right here. Other than that, I mean, it seems to be performing great, super smooth, super snappy. Not experiencing any hiccups or anything like that. I'll have to test out battery life and see if that has improved or not, or gotten worse. Hopefully it's gotten better rather than worse, but we're just gonna have to wait and see as time goes on. But I've definitely been very patiently waiting for this update. I've been waiting for a haircut too. Look how long my hair is, and it's falling down right here on my forehead, just making me look kind of weird. But there we go. All right, I think I fixed it. I think we're ready to go. But you're not here for the hair. You're here for the phone. So if you have not updated your phone yet, go into your settings, check for that update, and make sure you update it, especially if you're still on that November patch, that November 5th patch, because like I said, supposedly this update is supposed to fix all of the issues that we've been experiencing with the Pixel 6 devices. And not everybody has been experiencing these issues. There's been some people that have been having, really good experiences with this phone. Unfortunately for me, I was one of the ones that was having, a lot of issues with this phone right here. So really excited to see how much this phone has been improved with this update, but it is finally here. Y'all make sure to leave a huge thumbs up on this video if you did find it helpful and you did like it. If you did update your phone already, how's your phone running so far? I know it's still a little early. This video is really just to let you know that, hey, an update is here. Go check for it if you have not already. But let me know how your phone's running so far with this new update. And as time goes on, come back and let me know if you notice anything different, whether it's major or whether, it's a little. But thank you all so very much for watching. Again, leave a huge thumbs up if you did like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Let's see, is my Pixel 6 done updating it? No, still not done updating. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.